Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see unsent messages on Messenger. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Facebook application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account from which you want to see the deleted messages. Once you have made sure of it, head over to the three lines option and then scroll down and you will find settings and privacy. Head over there and go to settings. Once you are there, just scroll down and then you will find download your information option under your information section. So head over to download your information, and once you're there, just click on continue. And here all you need to do is just to click on download or transfer information. Once you do it, Facebook will give you exe file of your Facebook application, of your Facebook's history, and from there you just have to head over to the Messenger option and then just see the deleted messages from there, deleted sent messages. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.